Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, in our EVS class, we are going to write revision of farm animals name, and we will do an activity related to our farm animals in our EVS textbook. Notebook. Students, today we will write here. We will write revision of farm animals name. Whenever you will write this work, you have to write the date. आपको डेट यहाँ पे लिखनी है, ये रेड लाइन को टच करके लिखनी है. नाउ वी विल राइट द टाइटल. तो ये जो मार्जिन लाइन है, इससे हम 2 फिंगर की स्पेस रखेंगे. देन वी विल राइट कैपिटल F लाइक दिस. रेड लाइन को टच करके लिखना है. स्मॉल a, स्मॉल r, स्मॉल m, FARM, 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 farm. Now we will give 1 finger space and then we will write small a, small n, small I, small m, small a, small l, small s. ANIMALS, animals, farm animals. Write number 1 between 2 blue lines. We will write the spelling of cow. We will write capital C, small o, between 2 blue lines, small w, COW, 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 cow. Now we will write in the next line. We will write number 2 after number 1. We will write number 2 between 2 blue lines. We will write the spelling of horse. We will write after the margin line. We will write capital H, small o, small r, small s, small e, HORSE, 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 horse. Now we will write number 3 between 2 blue lines. We will write the spelling of sheep. So we will write capital S from red line till blue line, then small h, small e, small e, small p, SHEEP, 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 sheep. Now we will write number 4 in the next line. We will write the spelling of donkey. We will write capital D, small o, small n, small k, small e, small y, DONKEY, donkey. Now we will write number 5 in the next line. हमें नंबर 5 2 ब्लू लाइन्स के बीच में लिखना है. We will write the spelling of cat. We will write capital C, small a, small t, CAT, 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 cat. Now we will write number 6 in the next line. We will write the spelling of dog. So we will write capital D after the margin line, then small o, then small g. So the spelling is D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Now we will write number 7. Between two blue lines, we will write the spelling of duck. So we will write capital D, then small u, then small c, small k, D-U-C-K, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Now we will write number 8 in the next line. We will write number 8. We will write the spelling of goat. We will write capital G, small o, small a, small t, G-O-A-T, goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Students, in this way we have to write the revision of farm animals names. We will revise once again. C-O-W, cow, H-O-R-S-E, horse, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey, C-A-T, cat, D-O-G, dog, D-U-C-K, duck, G-O-A-T, goat. Students, write revision with good handwriting and learn the spellings by heart. Thank you. Students, let us do an activity related to our concept in our EVS textbook. Your EVS textbook, page number 43, 43. Animals home. Just like we have our home, animals have their homes too. We build home for the farm and pet animals. Students, जैसे हम लोगों का घर होता है वैसे ही एनिमल्स का भी घर प्रिपेयर किया जाता है जिसमें वो एनिमल्स रहते हैं. So students, now we will see animals home. Students, let us match the animal to their homes. Students, हमें ये एक्टिविटी में क्या करना है, यहाँ पे हमें एनिमल्स दिए गए हैं और यहाँ पे उनके होम्स दिए गए हैं. तो हमें एनिमल्स को उनके होम के साथ मैच करना है. Now let us see the first one. The first one is hen. H-E-N, hen. So students, hen live in coop. C-O-O-P, coop. Now students, let us see on the next side. Students, where is coop? It's here. तो हम hen का जो पिक्चर है वो coop से मैच करेंगे. Hen lives in coop. Hen lives in coop. In this way we will match hen with coop. Now we will see the next animal. The next animal is dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog lives in kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. So students, let us see on the next side. Where is kennel? It's here. So we will match dog with kennel. Dog lives in kennel. Dog lives in kennel. In this way we will match dog with kennel. Now let us see the next animal. Next animal is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse lives in stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. See here, where is stable? It's here. Horse lives in stable. Horse
stable. Now let us match. Horse lives in stable. In this way we have to match horse with stable. Now let us see the next one. The next animal is cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow lives in shed. S-H-E-D, shed. Now let us see the next side. Where is shed? It's here. So we will match cow with shed. Cow lives in shed. In this way we have to match cow with shed. Now the last one. Which animal is this? Goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Goat lives in pen. Goat lives in pen. So see here, where is pen? It's here. Goat lives in pen. Goat lives in pen. So let us match. In this way, we have to finish our activity with neat work.
Thank you and have a nice day.